Hey guys, it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be filming this video today. I have the Exfora, this new at-home microdermabrasion wand from Vanity Planet, and I'm going to show you guys how it works, how I like it. I'm going to show you a quick little demo of me actually using it on my skin. And then I have a deal for you guys to get it over 50% off. Such a good deal. This thing is so cool. It's like the ultimate bougie, like spa at home type treatment, I guess you could call it, but it is so cool. I literally was doing it last night with my skincare and it just felt so pampering, like something I literally would pay so much money for at a spa. So I'm really pumped to tell you guys about this. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, hello, I'm so glad you're here. Make sure you hit the subscribe button real quick so you do not miss anything else, and follow me on my social media. But if you want to hear more about this at-home microdermabrasion tool and hear how you can get over 50% off, you guys can go ahead and keep on watching this video. All right, you guys, first of all, I feel the need to disclaimer. I am filming this during the coronavirus. So we are quarantined at home, and if you know me, you know how I am about my nails, and this is driving me insane, but literally everything is shut down. I'm quarantined in my house, filming videos, so we're rocking a quarantine nail. Hashtag quarantine nail, it's gonna be like a thing now. So let's jump right in though. This has been so nice to actually have during this time because it's given me a way to pamper myself, self-care, like all the things. So I want to show you guys like from the box what you can expect from this and show you everything that comes inside and tell you all the details. So if you've never done microdermabrasion, it is a usually very pricey salon treatment where you are deep cleaning the pores, you're removing the dead skin cells. It leaves your skin just like baby soft, perfect for putting on products afterwards. It is such a luxurious, like high ticket thing to get done at a spa. So I love that they created an at-home version of this. And then I also love that I'm gonna show you guys that there's like a massage option to it that I am in love with. So when you open the box, everything is right inside. This is what the actual microderm tool looks like. I'm gonna break it down for you guys a little bit more. Also in here, you have your USB charging cord, but it also comes with a charging stand I wanna show you, which I freaking love because how convenient is this to just have out on your counter? It's sleek, white, pretty, it's chic looking, it's not gonna look ugly or like you got random stuff sitting on your counter. And this is a charging dock, so it will charge while it's in here and stay charged. It stays charged for a really long time, you guys. I can tell you that up front because I have been using it without even putting it on the dock. I've just been USB charging it right now and it's literally hasn't died on me yet. So freaking cool. I love the charging dock. I think that is such a cool option. And then before I go into the different head attachments, I want to show you guys this little box that comes with it. So here is your adapter if you want to do the USB plug into a traditional outlet in the wall. You also get these replacement filters where all the dead skin and yucky gunk is gonna go. And these are, like, there's so many in there. I love that they gave you so many to replace it with so you don't have to worry about ordering more for a very long time. And then there's this little cleaning brush too to help you clean in the little nozzle heads where it's really narrow and tiny. So that is all conveniently right in this box, and I love that it's all together so I will not lose it. Okay, so I want to show you guys what the actual wand is like. I want to give you the breakdown of the head attachments. So this is the one that comes on it. This is your standard normal microderm tip. So the normal one is diamond encrusted, like hello, can we say luxurious? But that is what traditional microderm is. It's a diamond encrusted tip. And what you're gonna do is use this normal one once a week on your skin to remove any dead skin cells, to make your skin plump, to stimulate collagen, reduce the look of fine lines. It's gonna deep clean the pores. It is literally a luxury spa treatment at home, and I'm just freaking obsessed with it. So the normal brush head is the one you're gonna use once a week. It's important you don't do this too much because if your skin is sensitive, it can get a little bit irritated. It is a very aggressive treatment, which is good because it means you're going to get actual good results from it. So there are 3 other heads that come with it. Next is going to be this fine one. You'll notice it's very small, but it has that same diamond crusted tip here. So this is for the smaller areas. This is perfect for around the nose where we have little crevices, smaller areas. We can't get that big microderm tip on there, right? So this is great for the nose, and this is something you'll use once a week as well because it is that a little bit more intense diamond crusted tip. Now, I thought this was a really cool option because I feel like I haven't seen this with some of the other microderm sets I've seen for use at home, and this one is a body head. So you can use this once a week on your arms, legs, your back, your stomach, anywhere you want to kind of freshen up the skin, remove any dead skin cells, exfoliate, all the good things. But I love that it came with this. It said on the thing you could even use it on your feet, which I'm kind of intrigued to try. But I love that this came with a body attachment because, like I said, I feel like so many other ones I've seen, you know, at Ulta or wherever, don't usually have a body attachment. So I thought that was a really cool extra with the one from Vanity Planet. Now this last head though is my absolute favorite, and I think it's my favorite because it is the most relaxing treat yourself thing that comes on this set, but I also love the fact that you can use it as often as you like. You can literally use it every day because it is not abrasive on the skin, and it is this massage tip. So it's actually just like a metal tip because the suction is what is going to do the actual massaging, which I'm going to show you guys when I show you the demo what I mean when I say suction. This is not something that moves. It is the suction that is actually going to work and do all the stuff for your skin. So this massage one, what I like to do is put on some type of facial oil and literally go on with this and just, oh my God, do the massage. And it is a suction. So like, and do it in like an upward and outward motion because that's always what you want to do for your skin because it doesn't cause wrinkles. If you're like pulling down, that's never a good way to apply anything. Don't do that. But I literally will go all over my face, kind of lifting here and doing up, and oh my gosh, it makes your skin like a mini instant facelift, and it stimulates the blood circulation. It takes out bloating in the face. Oh my gosh, any water you're holding, like I am obsessed with the massage tip. I literally do it every single night now. I think it is the most luxurious way to wind down after a day and also give yourself that pamper spa experience at home. And it makes you actually like stop and do something for yourself, which I love because we get so busy, and this is such an easy way to just throw it in your skincare routine before bed to really take a few minutes to take care of your skin and do something relaxing that feels good and make your skin look great. So the massage tip is definitely one that I am obsessed with for daily use. So on the actual handle here, when you press the power button, there are two modes you can run this in. So the auto mode takes you through a quick 4-minute treatment you can do on your face, and it beeps when it's time to switch sections. There's also a little face on here, if you guys can see it. It tells you what section you're doing and what direction and how to do it in that area. I love that. It's literally like microdermabrasion for dummies. You don't have to figure it out. It literally tells you how and when. And then you can adjust the suction level. There's levels 1, 2, and 3 for how much suction you want. So if you are someone with sensitive skin, I would say maybe start at 1 and then work your way up. I do a lot of treatments on my skin. I use retinols and things like that. So my skin's pretty good with these types of things. So I do level 3 and I don't have any issue with it. But I do want to show you guys like just... like you can see it, like it's suction. So that was 1, this is 2, and then here's the third one. Now this is the massage head I have on here so that this doesn't have like the diamond crust on or anything, but you'll notice it's not super loud. It's not like painful suction. I just wouldn't leave it on any area for like a super long time because you could like almost give yourself basically a hickey with this. So just don't do that. I see a difference right after using it, and also the next morning I feel like my skin is just so glowy and smooth and plump and youthful looking. I notice there's not as much bloating. Like I said, it literally feels like I've had a mini facelift, especially when I use the massage one daily. I am obsessed. Like I literally did an Insta story right after using it one day and I was like, I feel so glowy, and I got so many DMs about my skin that night that I was like, okay, it's not just me. Like it's really, really working well. So next I want to show you guys a demo of me actually using the product. So that is what you're going to watch next. You're going to see how I use this during my skincare routine. I'm going to show you guys how I use the microderm and also how I use the massage with my facial oils as a little treatment. So you guys can go ahead and watch that first, and then I'm going to tell you guys how you can get it 50% off and get a huge deal on this right after you watch the demo. Okay, so I know you guys are super pumped. You're ready to get this. You want to save money. You want to ball on a budget. So I am about to tell you everything. You guys are going to go to my.vanityplanet.com/24derm, and it's going to take this from like $200, I believe, under $75. So you're getting it over 50% off. Huge deal. I have seen these retail at Ulta for much, much more than that. So this is an awesome steal. And again, you would pay so much more than that for just one microderm treatment at any spa you would be going to. So to pay it once and be able to do it at home for yourself anytime, even when you're quarantined, you can't leave the house, which is what I'm doing. It is so, so worth it to pay that one time and be able to use this forever. And again, the facial massage, that is a daily treatment you guys will be able to use that I know you're gonna love just as much as I do, which I would pay that much for that alone on this. Plus the microderm is just a, oh my God, amazing add-on too. I would pay more than that for just a microderm. So the fact that you're getting it all in one, plus the body attachment, it is so, so, so worth more than the value you guys are gonna pay. So I will have all the info, the links, and everything for you guys down in the description box on YouTube. I am so excited for you guys to check this out because I am seriously just loving it, and I can't wait to hear how you guys love it too. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me some comments down below what you think about this, if you're grabbing it, if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to get back and answer them for you guys. I hope y'all are doing well during the quarantine. If you're watching this later, we can all look back one day and laugh about that time we got quarantined in our house for a few weeks and gained the quarantine 15 because we were just at home eating with our dogs every day. I love you guys. I'm wishing you well, health, safety, all the things. I love my face on the screen here per usual. If you click it, you'll be subscribed to my channel, and there will be some other videos for you guys to check out as well. Also wanted to let you guys know my new book, Not Sorry, is also live on Amazon and Kindle now. It's all about living your most confident, vibrant, and unapologetic life, and it's my favorite book yet. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. But I think that is all I have for you guys right now. So until next time, I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye. Hey, that was a weird start. Hold on. And now, oh my God. You can, I'm kidding, I haven't done this in so long. Where we get blackheads, all that I keep wanting to swear.